Welcome to the West End Radiators Resource Video Library. Today's video covers how to measure a turn-up aluminum core. We're very proud to be one of the only aluminum core manufacturers in Canada, manufacturing a range of aluminum core styles at our Winnipeg, Manitoba shop. Our aluminum cores are manufactured in-house, built to withstand extreme conditions, and available for all industries. Today's video covers a turn-up core, which is ideal for a coolant radiator or charger cooler, as you can see here. First, it's important to note that we have a few different tube styles, fins per inch, fin height, and various fin styles, including louvered fin, which is cut, dimpled, which is stamped, and square wave with various spacing options. Be sure to identify these styles on the build sheet so that whatever you are recoring, we can make as close to the original as possible. In the case that you're looking to solve a heating or external plugging issue, you'll likely want to change the fins per inch and fin height accordingly on the build sheet. On the example we're measuring today, it is a turn-up charge air cooler. As you can see, the header is lap welded onto the tank. Please note that the charge air tubes are different from what you would see in a liquid-cooled heat exchanger. This doesn't change how you measure the core, but it is important information for us to know during manufacturing. So please clearly check off these boxes on our core order form accordingly. When measuring the height of a turn-up aluminum core, always measure from inside of the header to inside of the header. For example, this specific core height would be 26¼ inches. When measuring the width, you'll measure the overall core. For example, this would be 17¼ inches. If your cooler has welded on side plates, you would still only measure the core, as we did here. Next, you'll want to measure the core's thickness. If there's a side plate in the way, you can use the steel rod method that we've explained in our other training videos. However, in this core, the side plate ends before the header, allowing us to easily measure the width of the core without needing a steel rod. Next, measure the header length. Hook your tape over the one edge of the tank to the other. If the tank isn't the same from top to bottom, you can instead measure from the edge of the well to the other edge. Most often, the tank will be straight, so simply measure the top header. For example, this header is 17¼ inch long. Now measure the width of the tank. For example, this would be 3¼ inch. That will give you the inside header measurement for the new core we'll build. Be cautious not to measure the header or weld, but the tank itself. Put these measurements into our core order sheet and someone from our team will follow up with next steps, pricing, and estimated lead time. You can find a link to our core order sheet here in the video description or visit our website to submit the form online.